our ice cream display freezer. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 61 inches, a depth of 27 inches, and height with glass cover, we have 53 inches tall. Minus the glass cover, we have 34 inches in height. Coming to the front of the display will be the glass cover. On the bottom of the chest freezer, we have our power switch along with the light switch, the indicator, and coming to the left side will be the dial for temperature adjustment. Back of the freezer and behind the glass cover is the center free-floating shelf. The measurement for the shelf will include 57 inches in length by 8 inches in depth. Beneath the glass shelf will be the dual slide doors, left and right, for the chest freezer. Included will be 6 removable baskets, and each basket can be inserted onto the track top of the chest freezer. Okay. 20¼ inches in length, 8½ inches in depth, by 12 inches in height. Baskets can be removed and inserted back into the top track of the ice cream freezer. There will be a total of 9 rows. Each slot is where you can hold and put in your popsicles. The measurements for each popsicle tray will include 8½ inches in length, 16½ inches in depth, by 11½ inches tall to the highest point. Interior dimensions for the chest freezer will include 22 inches in depth, 24 inches in height. Wait a minute. In the overall length, we have 55 inches long. Please note on the left side of the chest freezer will be a step, and the measurements for that step will include 9 inches in length, 22 inches in depth, by 10 inches high. Overall length for the interior chest freezer with the step will be 46 inches in length. Back of the chest freezer in the center will be the ETL certification, specifications, and on the bottom we have our 110/120 voltage plug along with a cap for the drain that's located inside beneath the chest freezer. Coming to the inside of the chest freezer, in the front will be an LED strip, and with the light feature turned on, the LED lights will display your products and ice cream that you have advertised. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.